Now, the only really wild and crazy we're going to get to with naming is naming an amine with an alcohol in it. Now, the alcohol here is going to take priority over the amine, so you would name it as you would traditionally name an amine with or traditionally name as you would an alcohol. But what you're going to do is that the amine group, since it's a primary, and again, we're going to limit ourselves to primary amines only for this type of naming, the amine is treated as a functional group. It's an amino group. So, in the case of this compound, the alcohol takes priority, so this would be cyclohexanol. In this case, we have 3-hexanol. And this numbering scheme here is going to specify how we're going to start naming things. So in the case of this ring, we have an amino group and a methyl group. And we want to minimize the numbering, so this ends up being 2, 6. So 2 amino, 6 methyl, cyclohexanol. In the case of this compound, because our alcohol is specified, we need to specify with the lowest number of carbon. This ends up being a 2-methyl, 4-amino compound. So again, it's naming alcohols if we do have an alcohol present, and to specify our primary amine here, what we're going to do is do an amino for that functional group and specify its position. Again, with priorities given first to the alcohol, and then in the case of where there's multiple ways to number it, we want to minimize the numbering on the first positions like we did with any type of functional class naming.